You're a builder or other professional construction trade business owner. So you don't have to worry about cyber insurance, right? You don't have to worry about cyber threats because they only happen to tech businesses. Wrong. There is a significant increase in cybercrime globally, and the construction industry is one that is more at risk than others, typically because of the high value invoices and payment amounts that you will be dealing with, and also the relative lack of sophistication of systems, of training, and of the competence and appreciation of the industry to the risk. So we see those claims happening across construction. They can be substantial, where a hacker will get into your system, will wait for invoices to be sent out, change the details of the bank account, and then clients are paying money to the hacker, not to you. So there are many things you can do to reduce your risk of that. A lot of it is to do with training. A lot of the vectors for attack are through email. But just because you're using systems in the cloud does not protect you at all from the threat of cyber attack. And they're becoming increasingly sophisticated. AI has been a revolution in the last few years. So in that time, that has made the ability for those bad actors to hack businesses, to institute ransomware attacks, made it a lot easier. But just think about, in that same time, how much more sophisticated has your defense got? Probably not a lot. So you'll have staff that are clicking on emails. How well trained are they not to do so? Just bear that in mind, because you are, as a construction business, a soft target. So as I said, there's insurance. There's lots of things you can do to minimize your risk. And it is very much an emerging risk and one of the greatest threats to any business, but construction businesses in particular. We suggest you look into all those factors, all those things you could do to minimize your risk. And that might be having two-factor authentication on your Xero and all your online applications, doing regular training and testing of your staff, just generally making sure that there's a heightened awareness of these cyber risks, so you aren't one of the businesses that gets caught out. And we've seen some big losses, like I said, by construction businesses in the last few years. So that's just a minute on cyber insurance and the threat of cyber attack.